Construction is booming, and staying ahead means constantly upgrading tools. Want to see the latest advancements helping craftsmen compete with the big players? Start learning now. Check out this gadget that draws 5 perfect circles, just like the orbital paths of planets in our solar system. The electric planer gives wooden boards a fresh, new look. With this smart device, you can transport cement with minimal effort. This floor screening machine is incredibly fast and efficient, plus it's super quiet. Using fabric-formed concrete to fix erosion problems on riverbanks. Boost your bolt tightening speed with this game-changing tool. A man surrounded by a sea of concrete uses his tool to level the surface. This battery-powered gadget effortlessly pulls out any leftover nails. This tool lets craftsmen securely install wooden floors with ease. An incredible ladder that can hold the weight of an entire group of people. The way he crafts the most realistic and professional wood grain patterns. Amazing. This tool guarantees perfectly straight lines on the tennis court every time. Watch as this compactor handles all the heavy lifting while the man simply oversees the operation. Flexim Roof Mortar, the flexible, storm-proof solution perfect for new builds and renovation projects. The Trelawney Long Reach Hammer is your go-to tool for stripping industrial floor and wall coatings with ease. Before tossing out old items, think about giving them a second life as makeshift clamps for your projects. The layer tool lets workers carry multiple bricks at once, making the job faster and easier. Here's a straightforward but powerful technique for clearing off extra mortar from brick walls. Embrace the versatility of the Mini Come-Along, perfect for handling non-corrosive rope materials with ease. Check out this system is securely fastened steel together using an automatic device. With an automatic tool, these steel bars are firmly locked in place.
Nice.
Even a standard water pipe can come in handy when it comes to setting up LED lights. The grass is now perfectly coated with a lush green hue, creating a satisfying sight. This multi-purpose wrench is crafted from a variety of screws, making repairs a breeze. Employ a protective shield to minimize material wastage and shield it from dispersing airborne particles. Crafting tape into various shapes on diverse surfaces becomes effortless with the aid of hand tools. Here's the perfect tool for grinding reinforced concrete walls quietly and without creating dust. SodClick is a system that links wall panels internally using wall bars. This slashes setup time by 7-fold. Introducing a manual nail removal tool crafted from a rod and 3 screws, simplifying nail extraction effortlessly. With the power of a sandblaster, you can swiftly rejuvenate an old door in mere seconds, turning it into a like-new masterpiece. Behold this compact marvel, capable of sculpting drywall into any shape you desire with precision and ease. With Wall Lift, one worker can zip up framed walls as high as 50 feet in just a snap. A machine powered by a person speeds up the construction of a concrete wall. He relies on a custom ruler to make sure each brick is perfectly shaped to fit the design. You grab this nifty handheld tool, kind of like a rolling pin but for bricks, and you roll it over a concrete surface to make it look like it's got brick patterns. It's like magic for concrete. With pliers, you can twist metal into the strongest spirals ever. Shotcrete? That's like turbocharged concrete. It's a super fast way to build stuff using concrete. Picture this. A tiny drill zips around, shaving off extra wood from your project. It's like giving your creation a precision haircut, leaving it smooth and polished. With this frame, you can make a brick-style sidewalk without any bricks. Just sprinkle some sand on the ground to boost drainage and toughen up the surface.
Imagine a tile cladding system for walls that doesn't require any messy cement.
You roll patterns onto walls using special rollers, like painting with a twist. It's a fun and easy way. Now you can learn the art of crafting a solid house in Minecraft. Behold the mesmerizing concrete flattener. Think of it like a miniature rake, but specifically designed to pluck out dead grass. crafty artisan weaves magic into every tile with their one-of-a-kind skills. Sure, a scraping tool might not win any speed races, but it's the gentle giant when it comes to drywall. Passing the mortar through this mesh ensures a smoother wall finish. Watch those gaps vanish with this handy tool. Witness the magic as an artist transforms cardboard and a paint spray gun into a mesmerizing wall masterpiece. With the grinding machine, craftsmen can say goodbye to tedious labor when removing excess mortar. It's like having a superhero sidekick that swoops in to effortlessly smooth out rough edges, saving time and effort. Introducing the roof washer, your ticket to lightning-fast roof cleaning. These tools sound like a game changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman. From the mesmerizing concrete flattener to the lightning-fast roof washer, each one brings efficiency and innovation to its respective task. It's amazing how technology continues to revolutionize the way we work and create. Until next time, take care and keep building wonders. Goodbye.